fried dumpling. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. So okay, we're gonna try this Hellshire style festival mix. Okay, it's in the pack. All you need to do is just add water. So let's go into trying this one. So now, as you can see, everybody, I dump it out right into the pan right here. See, this is it. I dump it out right into the pan, and now it says to add 7 fluid ounces of water, cold water. So here am I going in with my water, and I'm gonna knead up this dough. Okay, soon be back. So here we have our flour, and it says to put up, cover up, and store for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna put it down. Okay, and we'll soon come back. We're gonna fry some nice fried dumpling. So now, time for do this. I can do it with one hand. But now there you go, my people. Now I make the flour and I put them down into the oil. We're gonna, when they get golden brown on one side, I'm gonna flip them over. We'll soon come again. Stay tuned, okay? Here, fried dumpling. Nice fried dumpling with some cabbage and corned beef. Yes, me I tell you. Now everybody, this is the dumpling. Nice and golden on both sides. Don't forget, this is from my kitchen. Straight on your table. Fried dumpling. Yes, this is the one from in the box. It tastes nice, everybody. You can try this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so very much for watching.